Are you ready to take the first step towards building a solid credit foundation? If you're new to the credit game, fear not. There are plenty of ways to establish credit and set yourself up for financial success. One of the easiest ways to start is by applying for a secured credit card. These cards require a security deposit, which serves as your credit limit. By using the card responsibly and making timely payments, you can begin to build positive credit history. Another option is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This allows you to piggyback off their credit history, potentially giving your score a boost. If you're a student, consider applying for a student credit card or a credit builder loan. These products are designed specifically for individuals with limited or no credit history. Lastly, don't forget about alternative credit options such as rent payments or utility bills. Some credit scoring models take these into account, so making timely payments can help bolster your credit profile. Ready to get started? Take the plunge and begin your credit building journey today. With patience, diligence, and responsible financial habits, you'll be well on your way to establishing a strong credit foundation for the future.